Welcome back to Montai. Now we will learn about the disease.
Tank.
Okay. We try to put the alphabet into the box. Okay. We need the T. Where is the T?
T.
Okay. Now A. Where is the A? Okay.
A.
This A. Okay. And then we need the N. This is
N.
N. Remember, N like this. Okay, we put that. And then the last alphabet, we need the K.
K.
This is K. Put here. Yes, finish.
T. A. N. K.
Tank.
Jelly.
Okay, we have jelly. Now for the first alphabet, we need G. Okay, this one.
J.
Remember, this is J. We need E. Where is the E? I think this one.
E.
This is E. Don't forget, this is E. We put here. And then we need the L.
L.
This is L. Remember, this one is L. We put here. And then we need the L again. Okay?
L.
Don't forget, this is L. Yeah. And then the last alphabet is Y.
Y.
Y. Y. Don't forget, this is Y. Yes.
J. E. L. L. Y. Jelly.
Jelly. Okay. Finish.
Okra.
Okay, we have okra. Who like okra? I like okra. Now, we put alphabet.
O.
This is O. Remember, this is O. O. And then K.
K.
This is K. Don't forget, this is K. And then we need R.
R.
This one R. Don't forget, this is R. And then A.
A.
Yeah, we have A. We put
A.
here.
O. K. R. A. Okra. Cookie.
Yeah, we have cookie. Now, how many alphabet we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, for the first is C. We need C.
C.
Yeah, this one is C. Don't forget, this is C. And then O.
O.
This is O. And
O.
this is O. And we have
K.
K. Don't forget, this is K. And E.
I.
I. Okay, for the last one
E.
is E. Yeah, cookie.
C. O. O. K. I. E. Cookie. Bread.
Yeah, every day we eat bread in the morning. Yeah, in our breakfast. So now I need for the first is B.
B.
And then R.
R. R.
E.
E.
Yeah. A.
A.
Yeah, I need A. And then D.
D. B. R. E. A.
D.
D. Bread.
Who likes bread in here? I think you and me.
Ship.
Okay, we have ship in here. Okay, for the first alphabet is S.
S.
This one S. Don't forget like this S. And after that we need ash.
H.
H. Okay, after that we need I.
I.
This one I. And
P. S. H. I. P. Ship. Coconut.
we have coconut. But why coconut? The color is red. I see for the first time. Okay, we need C.
C.
And then we need O.
O.
C again.
C.
And then O again.
O.
And
N.
U.
U.
T.
T. C. O. C. O. N. U. T. Coconut. Wardrobe.
We have a wardrobe. Okay, for the first is W.
W.
A.
A.
R.
R.
D.
D.
R.
R.
O.
O.
B.
B.
And the last
E.
one is E. We put the last part.
W. A. R. D. R. O. B. E. Wardrobe. Knife.
Okay, we have knife in our kitchen. Okay, for the first is I put in
K.
K. N.
N.
I.
I.
F.
F.
E.
E.
Knife.
K. N. I. F. E. Knife. Taxi.
Okay, taxi. We put T.
T.
A.
A.
X.
X.
I.
I. T. A. X. I. Taxi.
We are in a now we will apply something this one lah.
Papaya.
Okay, papaya.
P. A. P. A.
Y.
Y.
A.
A.
Papaya.
P. A. P. A. Y. A. Papaya. Sandwich.
Okay, we have sandwich. Ash.
S.
A.
A.
N.
N.
D.
D.
W.
W.
Ash.
H. I. C. H.
Okay, correct.
S. A. N. D. W. I. C. H. Sandwich. Horse.
Okay, we have horse. For the first is H.
H
H.
O
O. R.
R
S.
S E H O R S E horse.
Okay, I'm ready now. Okay, my friend, thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share my video to make this channel a big again. Thank you very much and see you tomorrow.